case study tracing a missing civil engineer, Erfurt client background. A UK-based infrastructure development company contacted Bond Reese to trace a missing civil engineer who had been sent to Erfurt, Germany, to oversee a major road construction project. Erfurt, the capital of Thuringia, is a growing city known for its expanding infrastructure and modern urban planning. The civil engineer was responsible for ensuring the project remained on schedule and meeting strict regulatory requirements. When the engineer failed to check in after a key site visit and missed multiple project meetings, the company became concerned about their whereabouts. The investigation, Bond Reese, gathered all relevant details about the engineer's recent activities, communications, and accommodation. The engineer had been staying near the Kremerbrücke, Erfurt's famous medieval bridge and central landmark, which is close to both the city's administrative offices and the construction zones. The last known communication was an email confirming the engineer's attendance at a site inspection in the outskirts of Erfurt, where the road expansion project was underway. Digital footprint and local contacts. Our digital forensics team analysed the engineer's phone records, GPS data, and recent transactions. The last known GPS signal placed the engineer near the road construction site, but no further communication occurred afterward. Bond Reese contacted local construction crews, hotel staff, and city officials involved in the project to gather more information. Witnesses confirmed that the engineer had conducted the site inspection, but did not return to the hotel or attend any scheduled follow-up meetings. On the ground investigation in Erfurt, Bond Reese dispatched local investigators to Erfurt, focusing on the road construction zones, key transportation routes, and the engineer's hotel. Investigators reviewed CCTV footage from nearby public areas and transport routes to trace the engineer's movements. After following several leads, our team discovered that the engineer had travelled to a remote section of the construction site to oversee an equipment inspection. Further investigation revealed that the engineer had suffered a minor accident while on site, resulting in a leg injury. The isolated location of the inspection and the absence of immediate assistance delayed the discovery of the engineer's condition. Local workers eventually found the engineer, but communication was delayed due to the engineer's phone being damaged during the incident. Outcome: Bond Reese quickly located the engineer and confirmed their condition, providing this vital information to the infrastructure development company in London. After receiving medical treatment and a brief recovery period, the engineer was able to return to the project, ensuring that the road construction continued on schedule without major delays. Why Bond Reese? This case showcased Bond Reese's expertise in managing investigations in urban infrastructure projects like those in Erfurt. By combining local knowledge of construction and regulatory environments, advanced digital forensics, and rapid on-the-ground searches, Bond Reese ensured the safe recovery of the missing civil engineer, allowing the company's critical infrastructure project to remain on track.